Hey guys, it's Pilar, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I recently received a $100 Chime Banking Bonus in under 15 minutes and how I got around the direct deposit requirement. I'm going to show you all of that step by step here in this video, as well as how to earn up to $1,000 in Chime Bank Referral Bonus money per year. Let's get started. So just a quick recap on why you would even want to sign up for a Chime banking account. They are an online fintech company, meaning they're not actually a bank, but they do offer you checking and savings accounts through the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank. And as with many online banking apps, some of Chime's perks include a free checking account, so you don't have to worry about having a minimum balance requirement. There are no monthly fees and no international transaction fees. There are over 60,000 fee-free ATMs all over the United States. And if you do want to use an out-of-network ATM, they will charge you $2.50 per transaction. There is fee-free overdraft protection. So with their Spot Me feature, you don't have to pay fees for certain transactions that overdraw your account. Chime will spot you up to $200, depending on your account activity and history, as well as other risk factors. They have a high-yield savings account. They also have a Chime credit builder. Guys, this is really important, especially if you have bad credit and you want to build up your credit. And the only way to access this feature is to unlock it by doing a direct deposit into your Chime spending account of $200. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did to kind of bypass that a bit, where I could earn my $100 Chime banking bonus as well as unlock this Chime credit builder. You also have access to early paycheck direct deposit, so you can get paid up to 2 days early, and you will have the option of sending and receiving money. So peer-to-peer money transfers, you can do it without having to pay any fees and never pay instant cash out fees. At the end of the day, Chime doesn't operate like a traditional bank. There are no physical locations, but that's also one way that Chime is able to keep their operating costs low, and they pass along these savings to you. So if you don't have a Chime banking account, Chime is actually offering you a $100 sign-up bonus right now, but you have to do these two qualifying actions. The first one is you must sign up using a unique referral link. You can use my Chime referral link down below underneath this video. You must also make a direct deposit of $200 or more within 45 calendar days of opening the account. Once you do that, the referral bonus amount will generally be provided to you within 2 business days. That's what happened to me. But here's the thing, if you're like me and you don't have an employer to do a direct deposit, or if you simply don't want to go through the hassle of changing your current paycheck direct deposit, then this can pose a roadblock for you. I'm going to share with you exactly what I did to overcome that. So let's look at what counts as a direct deposit for Chime. And according to Chime, a qualifying direct deposit is a direct deposit from your employer, your payroll provider, gig economy payer, or benefits payer by ACH deposit or original credit transaction. Many banks, not only Chime, they do require a direct deposit in order to receive the sign-up bonus. In general, these types of payments come in on a regular basis, and it helps to ensure that the bank is receiving a steady stream of money. Now, here is what Chime deems a non-qualifying direct deposit. Bank ACH transfers. Basically, if you're trying to transfer money from your current bank into Chime, that is not going to count as an ACH transfer. Pay friends transfers, verification or trial deposits from financial institutions. None of these peer-to-peer transfers, such as from PayPal, Cash App, or Venmo, mobile check deposits, cash loads or deposits, one-time direct deposits such as tax refunds and other similar transactions, none of these are going to qualify for your $100 Chime banking bonus. Though in my Chime Bank referral bonus experience, I discovered that an ACH deposit from an unsuspecting mobile grocery app was enough to trigger the Chime sign-up bonus. So I discovered that the Ibotta app counts as a Chime direct deposit. Now, I've spoken quite a bit on Ibotta on this channel, but as a quick quick summary, Ibotta is one of the most frequently used grocery shopping rewards apps in the United States. To date, more than 35 million people have downloaded the app. I'm an avid user and I've earned over $4,650 in cashback rewards in under 2 years with Ibotta. Recently, Ibotta rolled out a bank account option as a deposit method for cashback rewards earned, and on a whim, I decided to link my Chime checking account to my Ibotta grocery savings app. I initiated a direct deposit transfer from Ibotta to Chime in the amount of $204.39, and lo and behold, it qualified me for the $100 Chime Bank Referral Bonus. Now that I've confirmed that the Ibotta grocery savings app qualifies as a Chime direct deposit, I'll share with you how to set this up for yourself so you can get the $100 Chime banking bonus. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for a free Ibotta account. You can download the free Ibotta mobile app or download the browser extension. Make sure to use promo code that you see on the screen to receive upwards of $20 in free cash. Now, you want to actually use the grocery savings app. This is how you're going to accumulate enough cashback rewards in order to do the banking transfer over to Chime. So find and add offers to your shopping list from over 1,000 retailers in the Ibotta shopping app. Do your regular grocery shopping, then make sure to scan your receipts, and then you will earn Ibotta cashback rewards on all eligible offers. Now, per Chime Bank Referral Bonus requirements, you'll need to do a direct deposit of $200 or more to qualify for the bonus. And now, while my Ibotta promo code will help you get your initial free money, you'll still need to get up to $200 in cashback rewards before initiating a transfer to Chime. Now, I will link a blog post down below where I outline 8 ways to make money with Ibotta. Feel free to use that cheat sheet to quickly reach your $200. Okay, so now you want to link up your Chime bank account to your Ibotta grocery savings app to withdraw your cashback earnings. So obviously you want to have your Chime checking account ready. It only takes a few minutes to set up. I promise it's really easy, and you need to use an invite code in order to get the $100 sign up bonus. I'll link my unique special code down below. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to go into your Ibotta grocery savings app. You want to tap on the account tab and then select the withdraw cash option. Then select the add new bank account link. Search for Chime Bank using the search bar, and then simply add your Chime Bank checking account number and routing number, and they will connect to your Ibotta account within literally 30 seconds. Hey, real quick, can you smash that like button? That really helps me out with this video. All right, so let's keep going. So once you've connected your checking account, you can go back and select it to cash out your Ibotta earnings. Remember to cash out a minimum of $200 to your Chime Bank for this to work properly. So it did take me 2 days to receive my $100 Chime Bank Referral Bonus, but it only took me about 15 minutes to set this all up. Now, you do remember that this direct deposit is also going to unlock the Chime Credit Builder feature for increasing your credit score. So if that's something that's important to you, then definitely make sure to do your qualified direct deposit within 45 days of signing up to Chime. Okay, so you got your $100 Chime sign up bonus. Now let me share with you how you can make a lot more money. So within your Chime mobile banking app, you're going to find a special referral link unique to you. You can use this link to invite others to join you on Chime. Each time someone uses your referral link to sign up, you'll earn $100 and your friend will also earn $100 in free money. It's really a win-win situation. Now, Chime will give you up to $1,000 in free referral bonus money to earn each year. So if you have a spouse or a partner and you want to quickly earn $300 in referral bonuses, you can simply use this very, very easy method. Use my special referral link down below. That's going to earn you your first $100. Then use your unique referral link to have your spouse sign up. They'll earn $100 in the process, and you'll also be rewarded $100 for a total of $300. Invite more people for up to $1,000 in Chime Bank bonus rewards per year. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please do me a quick favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and go make that money. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.